Za zaključek priprav v Prekmurju na drugi testni tekmi pred novo sezono visoka zmaga proti makedonskemu pokalnemu zmagovalcu Vardarju, kar 5-0. Na tekmi v Beltincih je Jan Repas dal priložnost 24 nogometašem, dvema enajstericama v prvih 60 minutah tekma brez zadetkov, kljub temu, da si je Hilal Sudani pripravil nekaj dobrih situacij, v drugih 60 minutah pa hat-trick Orféja Mbine s 3 res imenitnimi goli. Enega je iz kazenskega udarca dodal Jan Repas, za zaključek pa po krasnem protinapadu in podaji György še György Komáromi. Na koncu lepa zmaga za zaključek priprav v Prekmurju. Priprave se sedaj nadaljujejo v Ljudskem vrtu, naslednji testni tekmi pa sta na sporedu prihodnjo soboto.
And of course, we want to see the first steps of being a team mentally. That today I saw good signals, both half, both 60 minutes. All the players give their good effort, and I saw good signs to become a team. First of all, secondly, I think also first half we should have scored goals. We had goal chances. We could be more clinical and concrete in front of the goal. But what makes me a little more satisfied than this, that in both halves I don't remember goal scoring chances of opponent. It is important for us, and I am generally satisfied with the effort of all the players. But it is only a friend game for us. We should prepare as well and get better day by day to be ready for the competition.
We have a lot of chance in the first half also, but we don't score a goal. I don't know why, but we have creating a lot of chance. But in the second half, we have also a lot of chance, and Mbina was very good today. So, and also the team. I feel very good myself on the pitch, and we have to keep it, and we will see what we do in the future.